Alright guys, what's going on? John back here with another video. Staying consistent with it, as you guys know. This is like vlog number 7, I think. No, maybe even 8. Staying consistent with these daily vlogs, so I hope you guys are really enjoying them. I'm having a lot of fun creating them. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, and it's Monday, so go out there and make your dreams come true. Because, you know, your dreams won't work unless you do. Get on that. Today's video, we're going to be going over the top 5 things I love about my Turbo BRZ. I thought it'd be something fun to make, and I think you guys will really enjoy it. And I'm basically just going to go over everything that I love about it. It's not going to be a crazy long video, but I'm just gonna basically go over some key points and aspects of like why I got a Subaru BRZ, you know, the things that I really love about it. Eventually I'll have to make a top 5 things I hate about it. Not that there's many and that I say that I really hate it, but I'm gonna definitely make a video about that too. But for right now, we're gonna go get some coffee and some food because we are starving. It's Monday and we didn't even get our day started yet, and it's already like 12:41. Thank you, Airbnb. Airbnb sucks, by the way. Airbnb, if you're watching this, you suck. If anybody works for Airbnb that watches my videos, please reach out to me because I'm having an issue with them. They won't let me book it because they think I'm gonna throw a party at their house or something like that because I book it too close in advance. I don't understand. Please, somebody help me out. Airbnb's absolutely wrecking me. My birthday is on the 25th and they're ruining my birthday. I'm trying to get a dope Airbnb, but nah. Anyways, you want a coffee now? We got the coffee now, guys. Can't tell you guys where I got it from because I'm gatekeeping it, but you know, good coffee place. In my town. Pretty fire. Honestly, would recommend if you live where I live, but I live in Pennsylvania in a place that you'd probably never expect. Nonetheless, guys. Wait, don't. I didn't say nonetheless. Anyways, I'm really excited to make today's video. Gonna go get some bagels real quick. Then in a second, we're gonna be at the BRZ. So I'll see you guys when we get to the BRZ. Alright guys, we are back with the BRZ now. We're going to be going over the top 5 things I love about my Turbo BRZ. And as you can tell, the mic is off right now, so I'm doing a voiceover. But let's get a cold start for the boys. Turn on the mic for the other shot either?
No, it was off the entire time.
Alright guys, I'm gonna pull this thing out to the driveway. We're gonna get to talking. Let's do it.
You want to talk about a race car, you know? This is the one.
Don't show that thing. Put that away.
This is the real race car right here.
Nobody here wants to see the TDI, babe. Put that away. Subs aren't looking for a TDI on the channel, alright? We're not tilted, no. Although, you know, Alex, I've tried to collab with you, bro, but you just never collab with me. It's cool. So, Alex, whenever you do want to collab with me, I have a TDI here, waiting. Or even a 335B. Got 2 diesels in the driveway. 2 diesels. On top of that, I live right by you. But it's all good, man. Whenever you feel ready, we can be out here up in the stars when we start making content. Anyways, alright guys, so we're going to go over the top 5 things that I love about the Turbo BRZ. Said it about 4 times already in this video. So, starting off at number 1. 1 second. Popping hood. Hood is now popped. 360 no scope to open the hood. Okay. Open. Alright, here we are. We have the Turbo GT2860RS Turbo by Garrett. Also oil and water cooled. Awesome. This is the Disco Potato. Probably the best turbo you could ever get. That's a lie. I freaking love it. Great turbo. This overall turbo kit, JDL turbo kit, absolutely amazing. Love the kit. Shout out Jesse for a dope kit. And shout out Kevin Kett. If you guys don't know who Kevin Kett is, you better find him on Facebook because he's the one who supplied me with this. Also, a lot of people have been asking how I got this turbo blanket on here and everything, and if I got the slim fans. I do not have the slim fans on this thing. This is stock fans. I'm going to show you guys. So right here, you can actually see I went and took a Dremel because there's a part of the fan here that came out here where the blanket actually is, and I literally just Dremeled it off. Fans still work properly and everything. So that's how I did that. Stock fans, didn't get the slim spow fans or whatever. Why are you recording down?
Can you just hold this for a minute? Just need to do something.
Coffee's great.
Ready? Get this. Oh, I think I broke it. Okay.
Ew.
Ready?
Nice. So yes, that would be number 1 about why I love my Turbo BRZ. Next up, we're going to be heading over to the side of the car. I'm going to show you guys number 2. Number 2, I love these wheels. These are the Titan forged wheels. They are absolutely beautiful. If you guys don't know about these wheels, you better get to know them because they're absolutely beautiful wheels. I got them powder coated in white from the guys at JT Powder Coating. Shout out to them for doing a great job. Originally, I did have black chrome Option Lab wheels, which I really liked. Also, they're for sale. If anybody's in the Northeast area that wants to buy them, hit me up in the DMs on Instagram, BRZ John. I put these on, absolutely love them. Changed the whole look of the car. I think it looks 10 times better, and it really makes the car pop out a lot more. Before, it was very tame. We're gonna head on to the interior. coming in at number 3 is these seats. Now, these are the stock BRZ seats. I am 6'2", 160 pounds, 165 pounds, something like that. And these seats are absolutely beautiful. I love these seats. They are very bolstery, and
That's
they keep
mine
me.
over there.
That's hers over there. They're super bolstery, and they keep me planted to the ground. I honestly really like the stock seats. I don't really ever plan on changing them unless maybe I get like a sponsorship by some type of seat company. But I love them because number one, they're super bolstery. They hug you, and on top of that, they have heated seats. You really can't beat that. I don't drive this car in the winter, but when I'm in, driving in the fall, I can just use my heated seats and be chilling and be nice and warm. So, and my girlfriend likes them too, so that's a big plus. I don't have to hear her complaining about her butt being cold. So we're good. It's a win-win. Coming in at number 4, what we have? Coming in at number 4, what we have is the exhaust note that comes out of this here Tomei. Okay. Now, a lot of people don't like little 4-bangers because they sound like garbage, right? Well, I'm gonna tell you what, this thing honestly sounds really good. It's got the Boxer rumble, has the unequal length headers by JDL, and boy, it's snowing out right now. Anyways, next up, the exhaust sounds really great on this thing. I honestly love it. With the turbo paired with it, it just sounds absolutely beautiful. It does sound definitely different than it being NA. I'd say that I honestly like it better boosted, honestly, sounding wise. But overall, the exhaust and just note of this motor sounds absolutely great, in my opinion. Also, just a side note, none of these are in any specific order. This is just me saying it off the dome of what I like the most. Coming in at number 5, what we have is the actual driving aspect of this vehicle. With the Subaru BRZ, basically their main focus was to make it a perfectly balanced car and super good for back road driving and just super good at handling. So that's exactly what they did with this car. Once lowered and with wheels and tires, this thing handles absolutely insane. I love the actual driving aspect of this vehicle. It is snowing right now. This is the first time my BRZ's ever seen snowflakes on it. Holy Lord. It's freaking cold out here. They're on the carbon roof chilling.
Oh my gosh, wait.
It's a little too cold out here, guys, not gonna lie. I'm still trying to make content for you guys. It's really difficult, especially because it's getting cold out. But so yeah, that's number 5 for sure. I love the handling of this thing. It's absolutely phenomenal, unmatched. Definitely the best handling car you can get for the money. The next best handling car I'd say is like a Porsche, something along those lines. So for the money, definitely one of the best handling cars you can get. There's definitely a lot of things I do love about this car, but overall, those are the top 5 things I love about my Subaru BRZ, the turbo Subaru BRZ. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead, go leave a like. This was not a very long video, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. Bro. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go leave a like on the video. Go comment down below what you guys want to see next. Winter is coming. As you can see, it's literally snowing right now as I'm making this video. Let me know what you guys want to see as a winter build, because I am trying to do something for the winter, whether it's maybe getting like a 4Runner, WRX, something all-wheel drive, manual. Like, let me know what you guys want to see. I'll make it happen. I'll build it for the channel. Yeah, let me know. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you haven't subbed already, go ahead and do it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.